Hey everyone, the Casio G-Shock G5600BG-5 is a compelling addition to the brand's eco-conscious lineup, merging signature ruggedness with a thoughtful approach to sustainability. Designed with environmental awareness in mind, this model is notable for its distinctive aesthetic, achieved by incorporating leftover resin fragments from Casio's production lines. The result is a unique blend of beige, white, and olive green tones. No two watches look exactly alike, giving each piece its own character. Beyond its eye-catching design, the G5600BG-5 maintains the legendary toughness that the G-Shock series is known for. Its resin case and strap are engineered for durability, and the watch is water-resistant up to 200 meters. It features a mineral glass face and has a compact, lightweight build, measuring 46.7 by 43.2 by 12.7 millimeters and weighing just 47 grams. The band fits wrist sizes between 145 and 205 millimeters comfortably, making it suitable for a wide range of users. A standout feature is Casio's tough solar technology, which allows the watch to charge via both natural and artificial light. This system ensures long-term performance without the need for frequent battery replacements. When fully charged, the G5600BG-5 can run for up to 12 months with normal use, or up to 22 months in complete darkness with power-saving mode activated. Functionality is where this model truly shines. It offers world time capabilities across 31 time zones in 48 cities, with the ability to toggle daylight saving time. The chronograph features include a 1/100th second stopwatch for the first hour, switching to 1 second precision thereafter, and a 24-hour countdown timer. Users can also take advantage of 5 daily alarms, a snooze alarm, and an hourly time signal. A full auto calendar is programmed through the year 2099, and the LED backlight is adjustable and includes an auto mode for convenience. Additional features include button tone muting, selectable 12-24-hour time formats, and a power-saving mode that automatically disables the display in the dark to conserve energy. Its timekeeping accuracy is rated at plus or minus 15 seconds per month, ensuring reliable performance even over long periods. Retailing for $150, G5600BG-5 is available now through Casio's official website and authorized G-Shock retailers across the US. With its blend of eco-friendly materials, solar charging, and rugged, feature-rich design, it stands as a strong choice for anyone seeking a dependable, stylish, and environmentally conscious digital watch. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.